Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today we're gonna do a hair tutorial, and as you can see, this drawstring ponytail, Afro ponytail, using crochet. So stay tuned and watch how we do that. So today for this video we're going to be using string, scissors, lace nets, crochet hair, and then a tightener. Well, all we have to do is to get the crochet, then loosen it up. I loosen mine into 3 or 4 parts, mostly 4 parts. And then after loosening that up, we take a piece of it and using a crochet pin, insert it through the net. You're going to see the clip in a minute. I advise you to place your net on a mannequin head. I wasn't with mine, so I just improvised using the pillow, and then you take the head through it, closing the crochet hook, and pass it through the hole of the net, and then you insert the excess hair at the other end into the hole which you've made, and then knot it. That's it. It's as easy as that. And I'm just showing you guys that again before I proceed. You pass it through the hole, and then you place the excess into the hole you've made, and you knot it. Divide your pieces of crochet hair, then take your crochet pin through the hole, and then collect the piece of hair and pass it through, then knot. Then in this clip I'm showing you also another way to knot your crochet through the hole. You take the crochet through, then instead of passing 2 strands of hair, you pass through one into the hole, and then tie it like you normally tie a rope or a scarf, anything, just as easy as that. So that's it, and when you're done, you just cut off the excess nets. And now it's time to pass your string through the holes. For easier hold and making it seem easy, I'm using my crochet pin to pass it through the hole. It makes it less stressful than using your fingers to do that. And then when you're done, for easier hold also, I'm also using my crochet to pass in the hook, or will I say the tie through, and as you can see, it was easier and faster than it would be when using your fingers to do so. So that's my bun here, and now time to fix it up. You need some gel, some edge control, rat tail comb. You also need some bobby pin. I have the smaller and the longer ones. Or you need some brush and a big afro comb for your hair. So now I already have my hair wet, and I'm using my brush to just comb through my hair and also remove every tangle. Wetting your hair before starting will at least make it be able to slick and slip down when you apply your gel. So now I'm applying my gel, and after that I'll be brushing that up also, so as to allow everything lay flatter and evenly. I'm also going to apply some gel at the back of my head also, to also make the hair at the back lay also. And now I'm going to tie it up. I'm tying it at the lower portion of my head because I don't want it to be like an up like shuku ponytail, so I'm going to tie it down. And after this, I'm going to be using the edge control to make some wave. Give yourself the wave, girl. And when I'm done with that, I will just tie up my scalp so that everything can lay flat just the way we like it. So now my hair is all set and time to put on my bun. So now I just put it on and also draw the string and then lock it up with the lock or whatever it's called, and then using the remaining string I tie it up the hair, round the hair, and I also use a little piece of my hair to tie it round to cover the string, and using a bobby pin to secure that. And now the hair is all done. You can slay it like this, but you know me, I like to go extra. So now I'm going to be using a bigger size bobby pin in gold. It's a gold body pin, and now I'm going to be using it to make, a hashtag design on the hair to give it, some more glow. And that's it, guys. This look is very affordable anywhere. Like, I'm gonna be rocking this hairstyle for a very long time. See you guys in my next video.